Hello, my name is Yuki Demura, and this is my basement. And today, I'm going to show you how to make a cardboard cosplay of Mercy's wings. So remember, when you're trying to find cardboard, be very careful to not disturb the others because they might actually come and attack you. Like, oh, crap. I think I might go the other way. Oh, shh. This is what you need. For this project, I decided to create some plans with Photoshop, which can be easily printed out. You're only going to need 9 sheets of paper for these plans. You can then take the plans and tape it to a large sheet of cardboard and cut these out. Make sure the cuts are clean on this because you will need to trace these pieces to make the others. There are 8 pieces on the plans, which you are going to need to duplicate 3 more times. Before we get into the build, I'd like to remind you guys to like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel. I love making these videos for guys, and making these cosplays is just another treat into my life, and I'd like to thank you all for watching. In all, I would rate this project very easy to build. The templates are going to be available on my website if you guys would like to check that out in the description. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click that notification button so you can be notified when part 2 of this video comes out. Yes, I did say part 2. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the second wing, which is the same process, but I'm going to show you guys how to connect the wings to your body, which is pretty much what you need to do to make sure this cosplay works. So make sure to check out that next video when it comes out next week. And thank you all for watching. I hope you guys have an excellent week. See you guys next time.